Alright, we got 4 Mad Dogs, which consists of 16 firecrackers each, and it's louder than a freaking sniper's rifle. It's gonna be crazy.
Stack them up on each other. You're next to each other, make them all go off at once. And if it works, I'm not gonna be able to hear anymore. Alright, one more.
This is gonna be intense.
Holy shit.
The object is to go deaf, so.
Which I've already succeeded once with the previously shown M1000.
Alrighty.
I think we're good now. We need to get the lighter.
Yeah, that's all our mess from earlier.
What's this?
Oh god.